Now the new poem, Animals, that had been written by Walt Whiteman, American poet. In that very time, the poem was written in different way, but he realized to write the poem in a verse. Now, the poet feels better to live in the companion of the animals because God had made everyone on the earth, human beings, animal, and others. It means God is the creator of all human beings. Really, the poet has distinguished the behavior of the human man as well as the animals. According to his view, animals are more quiet and in respect of the human being try to possess wealth by committing so many crimes and sin, whereas animals do not. This was the reason the poet feels better to live with the animal because he feels relaxed. The poet feels relaxation in the company of the animals. He finds the human being complicated and false. And this is the theme of the poet, that a human being always try to achieve their goals by committing different type of work. They do not care for others. As we know, in the very earlier, when the human beings came on the earth, really the shape and the condition and the physical appearance of the human beings were very equal to the animals. He preferred to live. It means the poet prefers to live with the animals because they do not betray. Whereas the human beings betray others to achieve their goals. Now this poet, Animals, it has been taken from the Song of Myself that is written by Walt Whitman. Now in this poem, in the first stanza, I think I could turn and live with animals. Now the word turn has been used here. I think I could turn. It means the behavior of the person should be changed in this environment. It means they like to maintain their status in the society. But the animals do not. So the poet thinks that he could turn himself, he can turn himself and live with the animals. They are so placid and self-contained. According to the ideas of the poet likes to live with the animal because they are very calm, very silent, and self contained. The poet looks, stares the animals for a long period, for a long term. Really, it means the animal do not take care of his present condition. They do not make noise. They are worried less. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweet and whine about their condition. The poet sees the animals. It means animals have been seen by the poet for a long period. And he feels that they do not produce any noise. They do not have worry. Whenever he is in the dark, lying in the dark, they do not repent on their sins. Now here, they do not make me sick, discussing their duty to God. Not is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Really, they do not vex. It means the animals do not vex the others to represent their duties towards God. It means the animals do not vex, do not elaborate any type of problem to the man, because man has also duty towards the God, the Creator, Almighty. And really, no one is satisfied. No one is satisfied because by nature, human beings are not clear, not plainly. This contentment is the chief value for the human being. A man can get everything when he is content, when he is satisfied. Satisfaction comes to a man when there is no temptation in him. Due to the temptation, due to see the earthly thing, they are tempted towards them and commit so many crimes. But the animals, they do not, they live. They have no worry. They are fully satisfied. They have their duties, they have their work to perform well. The poet also realizes that his duty towards the Almighty will remind him as the animals are doing. not one is dissatisfied, not one is a deep in peace. कहते हैं here people run after wealth. They become mad after the wealth to take position in the society. But the animals, they do not like to make themselves impressive among their societies. And really, animals do not become mad. Animals do not become mad to collect different things from the earth. It means they can adjust. They can adjust in their environment. Whereas it is problem for the human being to adjust human beings to adjust themselves in the society. Because they think about their status, but the animals do not. In the last stanza, not one keen to another, not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of the years ago. Human beings and the animals do not bend down towards their community. Animals do not kneel down towards his society, in his community that had been 1,000 years ago. Really, there is no any written history about the animals. History of the human beings human beings are written, but animals do not have. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. No one respect the earth, his community, and no one, it means man, human beings and the animals, both of them, not respecting the existence of the earth, and he is not disagree with it. And really, they, means the animals, also show their love towards the humanity. Animals also show their relation to the humans. It is acceptable because they introduce us to recognize the earthly thing, and tokens should be kept, and they should recognize their ancestor. So the tradition that comes from the ancestor should be continued, and this identification is remain with the animals too. they identify, they bring me tokens of myself, the evince them plainly in their position. It means they recognized us about our importance. And they also kept this recognition with them because they recognize the tradition. They follow the tradition that are coming from their ancestors. Because there is a close relation between human beings and the animals. Both have the same feature, same quality, same skill. Either whenever the animals are speechless, but they represent their language in different ways. They also talk to their they also talk to their children, to their elders, whether it is not known to human beings. But they are very similar to the human beings because they also keep the property that had been given by his ancestor to continue it. So, they show their relation to me, I accept it. It means they show the relation, it means the animals also show relation between the human beings and the poet accept is it. They bring me tokens of myself. The events them plainly in their positions. Because they bring me token of myself. It means the significance that are going in that had been in the past, and this will be continued in future. Such type of significance, such type of features, the animals have too, as the human beings. They like to follow the path of their ancestors. They like to develop the country by their thinking because men are very sensitive fellow. They can talk with the others. They can also convince the others with their dialogues. They can invent anything. In the past, the men were also parallel to the animals. As the animals live in the forest, in very early, men also. They produce their young ones. Human beings also produce their young ones to increase the tradition that they had received from their ancestors. So, this is the token, sign of himself that is clear to show plainly their positions. I wonder where they get those tokens. Such type of tokens, really the poet wonders to think from where the animals receive such type of tokens to make the balance of the nature, to increase the population, to follow the ancestors' rules and regulation. So the poet wonders where From where do the animals receive such type of tokens? Did I pass that way huge time ago? Negligence dropped them. The poet expecting, the poet here expecting everything. Did he pass very early on that very path and he dropped this token on the path without carrying it? And this token has been received by the animals. And so he wondered, how did the animals receive such type of significance, such type of tokens from human beings? Perhaps he thinks, the poet thinks, that in negligence, in very past, man had dropped it on the way. It means the man was also an animal in the past. The poet has distinguished the significant characters of the animals as well as the human being. He has discriminated the few ideas of the animals and the human being. Animals are very grateful to their young ones and to their ancestors, whereas men are not. Because they do not have, it means the animals do not have any type of angry towards the nature. They live in the nature. Nature is their natural homes, where the person, a man lives in the society. As the population increases, their needs increases too. And for that, they are cutting the forest. And it will also harm the nature. Whereas animals do not harm the nature. It maintains the balance of the nature. Whereas the man is a human being, sensitive fellow. In spite of this, they are harmful to the nature. They do not recognize their path. They do not recall their tradition. They like to make a position in the society on the basis of the wealth and money positions. Whereas the animals do not want to make themselves impressive in the society. They look everyone in the same way. And this is the way this is the thing that the poet joyfully looks at the animal. And he finds that animals are more satisfied than the person. And this is the reason that he wants to live with them. Now there is also some part where there is a no one else to another. Really, humans nails to other humans who lived thousands of years ago. They followed their ancestors' path. They worship them. to get the higher position, greater influence. They always harp on the fact that they have a duty towards the Almighty. Now, the word token is also used in this poem. The man disgraces himself much from the central theme of this poem, from the book Bible and others. Man commits a lot of sins and blunder in their lives. They also repent on them, whereas the animals do not repent on them. They feel proudness for acquiring wealth, whereas the animals do not. They feel, they kneel to other human beings who lived 1,000 years ago. It means these things, these characters are not available in the animals. And these are the features of the animals the poet likes to live with them.